Hello everyone and welcome back to our technique series, The Wisdom of the Scales. And in today's tutorial, we're gonna start we're gonna do the G minor. We already started with the minors with flats. So two flats. So our major two flat scale is B flat major. Don't know how to play that, please check into our playlist, and we will put actually a link into description with B flat major. So B flat major has two flats, B flat and E flat. Remember these. So are the last of the three black keys and the last of the two black keys, B flat and E flat, right? So this would be the major scale. So right now, if we're going down 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3, we're gonna find the G minor. So G minor is B flat major. They both have two flats, and we're having three kinds. We're having natural, harmonic, and melodic. And this is how you play. Very easy. Easy. So you just imagine you playing C major because of the fingering. The fingering are exactly the same like in C major. So it's nothing else there I can say about 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You just learn where the flats are and you apply the flats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're done with the scale. Left hand is gonna go G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, F, E flat, D, C, B flat, A, G, right? Very easy. Do I go too fast? I hope not. I hope you have it, right? So right now both hands, nothing easier than that. Natural way. So right now we're gonna go to the harmonic way. So harmonic way, right now we're looking to the F, that is the 7th key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So F will be not played as natural, will be raised half of the step. So that means in harmonic way we need to play F sharp. So it's gonna be E flat, F sharp, G. That's how it's gonna be. E flat, F sharp, G. So right now, one hand at a time. G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, G, F sharp, G. F sharp, E flat, D, C, B flat, A, G. So go slow on it. And you can practice this one a couple of times, you know, to ease on it. Left hand, same fingering that like before, nothing changed. But we having this, you know, it's called an augmented second. F sharp, E flat, D, C, B flat, A, G, right? So right now I'm gonna stop the video over here and you're gonna practice right hand up and down, left hand up and down, you know, and when you're ready, we're gonna put together, right? So right now I'm gonna go to octaves. Alright, so I'm back on the G with finger number 1 and then left hand will turn number 4 on the left, you know, here. B flat, C, D, and then E flat, F sharp, G. Nothing hard. Okay, you stop again on G, and then you exactly turn 4 right hand and move on all the way down. So after you do a couple of times like that slow, you can go a little bit faster. And if you can even faster. Or even faster. Faster, yes. The chord, okay? I give you another extra bonus here just because it's an easy scale to do it. You can go split as well. So you go 1 octave, and in this moment you split them. That means right hand goes up, left hand goes down. Fingering exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you got dizzy? 1, 2, 3. You see, I'm paying attention to play everywhere where I need the black key. 1, 2, left hand B flat, right hand is gonna go there. And then 3. And then you can go back to where you started. Try it. It's not that hard, but you gotta pay attention to all the flats and sharps and whatever we need to put there. But it's really fun to do it. I think it's smart. So right now we're gonna go to melodic just for a little tiny bit to understand what goes there. So our 6 and 7 keys, that actually it's an E flat and F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the E flat and F. Both they need to be raised half of the step. So instead of playing E flat F, we're gonna play E and F sharp going up only, and that's how it's gonna sound. E, F sharp, G. Going down, you go as natural. E natural, F sharp, and G. Going back, it's as natural. I'm only going 1 octave. Left hand, same fingering is nothing. Change E, F sharp, G. Going back. Both hands. It's a very nice key to play in. It's not hard to play, so just practice, don't give up, one scale at a time. So as I said, the practice of scales goes for years and years and years. You don't need to know them all, but they will be all there uploaded on our playlist. So look for the playlist when you want to find just the scale and not get, mixed up in all the other uploads that I've been doing. All right, so have a great week of practice. Our next scale, it's gonna be with 3 flats, B, E, A, and that's gonna be the minor relative of E flat major. That would be the C minor. So C minor is our next one, and I hope to see you in our next videos. Have a great week again of practice and see you soon. Bye. Hello everyone, I'm Liana, the founder of Music Academy International Inc. Music Academy International Inc. It's a non-profit foundation. Our goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study abroad with international teachers. We opened this channel on September 11, 2020. So we're having about 4 months and we already uploaded about 100 videos by now on a range variety of topics. We did Christmas tutorial for beginners, Christmas tutorial for advanced. I did a lot of performance on Christmas, and then we did tutorials for intermediate, tutorials for beginners, you know, with even some Broadways as well. And definitely we did an entire series of technique with all the scales. 2021, I'm planning to do lots and tons of materials. I'm talking another probably 200-300 videos, I'm not sure, but I have an entire list in which we will do Disney, we will do a lot of Chopin tutorials and more tutorials. I will perform a lot, and many others, especially technique regarding speed, fingers exercise with Hanon. I'm going to have an entire series, like 30-40 videos just on technique way, how to achieve that. As we speak, this channel is not yet monetized. That means you will not have ads for quite a period of time. We will see how long we can do that. Instead, we do have our Patreon link. Patreon is a page, you know, you will find the link below in which you can support our massive work to share this love for music with everybody. As an extra bonus, all our Patreon supporters, $5-10 a month, doesn't matter how much, you'll have access to our private Facebook group that is called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I'm doing free webinar once a month starting with March. As a second bonus, when you subscribe, every 25 subscribers, they will have a free class with me, one-on-one on Zoom. So we always like to over-deliver. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and especially that window where it's saying all. So on this way you will be notified every time I'm uploading a new video and you would like to see it. You can connect with us as well on Instagram, same name, Music Academy International Inc. On Facebook, Music Academy International Inc., exactly the same name. And thank you so much again from all my heart, and bless you.